things were not bad like this during their days, early days of independence. Things were not bad. Everywhere there was peace, everywhere. Because I believe that if there was no peace, there wouldn't have issue of coming together as one country between the Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, and other ethnicity in Nigeria today. Then, before the independence, there was unity among Nigeria. There was religious tolerance, there was tribal tolerance, there was regional tolerance, and people were excelling in their business. What happens to these glorious days? What have gone wrong that we cannot smell that glorious days again? Is there anything we have done wrong? We are not doing it right today? Because some of these leaders that rule, or some of them can attest to that day of 1960 before the independence. Some of them are still alive till dead. They are living witness to this. So what happens to these glorious days? Nigeria today, as we speak, you cannot travel from one region to the other in peace. Nigeria today, brothers cannot sit in same place and smile with each other. Nigeria today, tribal differences have come in. Nigeria today, political affiliate have further divided us to the level that we don't see each other as brothers, we see each other as enemy. What happens to these glorious days? That when they said Nigeria, everybody will run to table just to protect the country interests. Now people are protecting the interests of their tribe. People are protecting the interests of their religion instead. People are protecting the interests of their region instead of the Nigeria as a country. What happens? What is it that we didn't do right? That is the question. What is it that we didn't do right, that things have gone wrong on us? God should return us back to those glorious days. Because from indication, from history, we were meant to know that there was nothing like tribe, there was nothing like religion, there was nothing like region. All that matters then was Nigeria. That was how our forefathers conquered and gained their independence. Why is it that today the Nigerian in us have disappeared? The problem is not from the Gen Z generation. The problem, it is from some of these our ancestors that refuse to do the right thing today. During their time, things were okay, but today they decide to change the standard, of which we, the Gen Z generation, will not accept that. Peace and love.